In this question, you have to identify the amino acid derived hormone. Option A, epinephrine. Now, epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, is an amino acid derived hormone and it is synthesized from the amino acid tyrosine and it belongs to the class of catecholamines and it plays a very important role in the fight or flight response. Hence, it is called emergency hormone. Thus, option A is correct. Option B, ecdysone. It is incorrect because ecdysone is a steroid hormone which is derived from cholesterol and not from any amino acid. And it is involved in the molting and metamorphosis of arthropods, especially insects. Option C, estriol. It is also incorrect because estriol, which is a type of estrogen, is a steroid hormone. That is, it is derived from cholesterol and not from amino acids. Option D, estradiol. It is also incorrect because estradiol is another form of estrogen and is also a steroid hormone which is derived from cholesterol. And like estriol, it is not derived from amino acid.